In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the horizontal lookup function, HLOOKUP, in Excel. There are times when you want to calculate a value which resides in a separate table, but don't want to use if commands for this. Lookups, vertical and horizontal, provide you with just the means to do it. In our example, we have a horizontal table in the same spreadsheet, or even in a separate workbook. As you can see, the table is an index of tax rates according to the offered salary. If such rules change along the way, we will need only to modify the horizontal table. First, make sure the horizontal table is sorted in ascending mode. Then go to the first cell in the list that you want to calculate the lookup. Start typing $HLOOKUP, the value you want to search in the index, comma, the horizontal table, comma, the indexable row, in our case, the row of percentages. Hit enter. Excel will calculate the value by looking up the entire horizontal table. Congratulations, you've now learned how to use the HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel.